Given this probability distribution, we want to find the value of A. We can see here that we have a random variable x, which can take the values 1 to 5. The probabilities for each of the values is listed below. We know the sum of all these probabilities must come to 1. So 2a plus 1/5 plus 2/5 plus 1/5 must equal 1. Remember that the sum of all of the probabilities for a discrete probability distribution must come to 1. So we just need to solve this equation. 2a plus 4/5 is equal to 1. So 2a would be equal to 1/5, and then a is equal to 1/10.